Hey everyone, James here, and today I'm going to be doing something a little bit different from my homemade TCG designs and things like that, and I'm going to be actually opening a main brand TCG, and perhaps this is a clue, or perhaps the thumbnail is a clue, but I'm going to be opening some Crown Zenith packs, but not just one, not just two, not just three, but 4 Crown Zenith packs. Okay, so for starters, we get this really cool pin. I do have spares, as you've seen, so if you want one, go and get one yourself. And of course, there's a close-up of the Rillaboom card itself. It's really, really nice. I like it. Out of the 3 final evolutions of the starting Pokemon, I think Rillaboom does look the best. I mean, you put in the comment section below if you think one of the others is better than their Rillaboom, but I don't know, he's a cool look. Out of all the monkeys that they've done, I think Rillaboom, he's bulkier, you know, he's got a bit more clout about him. Okay, so here we are, we have all the Crown Zenith packs. It's covering up my Radiant Eevee. I'm so excited for opening these packs because inside lies the potential for some really great pulls. I've got my card sleeves ready on the side, ready to put them in. Eeny, meeny, miny, mo. Okay, here we go. Okay, so we're going to put them to the front there. So we're starting off with an energy card. We've got Pink Urchin, he's pretty cool. We've got Rare Candy. We've got Bishop. Bring the Rare Candy down there. And then obviously we've got one of them. I've just started the Pokemon Live thing, so I'm building decks right now. I'm starting to get into it. You know, I've caught the Pokemon fever again very recently, and it's been a lot of fun just opening packs again. You know, quite nostalgic. So there we go. We've got Meowth, we've got Whalmer, and whoa, right, okay, right. We've got the full art Thievul. This one looks amazing. I absolutely love this one. It's I've seen it before in some other pack pulls, and it's just really, really nice. And oh my god, we've got Kyogre. Right, very nice. Not a bad start at all. Not like a super rare, but you know, a couple of good full art pulls. I'm not going to say no to that, you know. Alright, second pack, let's go. Okay, there we go. Right, so we're starting off with a Dark Energy, very nice. We've got a Crushing Hammer, we'll put that in there. Luxio. I was needing some more of these because I am planning on building my own little Shinx deck. So that's a nice little addition there. We've got an Ultra Ball. Very good. We've got a Shinx itself. We've got a Larvesta. I've been trying to get that in Pokemon Go. Like a 2% hatch rate right now. So it's been a bit tough. It's been a bit tough because he hasn't been popping up for many people. Pawniard, Whalmer. We've got a Pokeball, we've got a Reverse Hollow Love Disc, and a Heliolisk. Okay. Okay, so the Reverse Hollow Love Disc, not the best pull from what we've got so far, and that's only out of 2, so there's still 10 to go. There's still 10 to go. So I don't normally do Pokemon pack opening videos, as a lot of you will know. Of course, there'll be some new people that have come in just for the Pokemon pack opening videos. Hello. But I do have a friend, an old friend who I used to know from school, he's got a YouTube channel called DJ Gigabyte, and he does lots of pack opening videos. So if you are interested in seeing more of these things, I would direct you to his channel. I'll put it in the description, comment section, wherever. It's going to be somewhere about. But yeah, definitely check him out because I've been spying on him a bit. I've been watching some of his videos, getting in the mood. Okay, here we go. Oh, nope. No, not yet. Okay, nope, nope. Okay, I was way off. Oh, Krokorok. Oh, I like this one. Krokorok and Enamorous. Okay. Alright, that's good. Right, I like that one. You know, it's not like a super rare card, but it's still a desired card. You know, he's a pretty cool guy. I love him with the dark shiny cards as well. Beautiful. Okay, we're going to start speeding these up now. Okay, so we've got a nice Fist Energy. I know it's Fighting Energy, but I'm going to call him Fist Energy for some reason. So we've got Girafarig, got this guy, we've got the Rescue Carrier, we've got Salandit, we've got Purloin, we've got Grubbin, we've got Skrelp, We've got Helioptile. We've got Mewtwo V-Star. Oh my god, I like Bill. What the hell? We've got... Oh my god, this is too much shiny for me. This is too much. Why are these so shiny? Oh my god, let's seal them up quick. Right, I don't know why. I just thought, oh, I'm just going to build up. It's going to be comical and there's probably going to be a letdown at the end. But no, there wasn't. Mewtwo V-Star. That is an awesome pull. I'm very happy about that. I don't know how rare he is, but I'm guessing pretty rare. I'm sure I've heard people talking about trying to pull Mewtwo from the Crown Zenith pack. So perhaps. And we've got Duraludon VMAX. Alright, yeah, I know Duraludon. I just thought it was just a shiny tower at first. Wow. Wow, that's fantastic. Right. Yeah, let's keep this momentum going. Momentum is the key here. Right. Okay, so we're starting off with the energy. We've got the Carvanine. We've got the Carnivine. Not the Carvanine. We've got the Girafarig. We've got Energy Switch. That goes there. We've got Sunkern. We've got Coffin. We've been Bedoofed. We've got Salandit. We've got a shiny behind there. We've got a Purloin. We've got Diggin' Duo. What did they do? And we've got an Enamorus. Right, I was really hoping Diggin' Duo was going to be something related to fossils. It is not, but still makes sense for a name, so I understand, right? Let's put the shiny there in the protective sleeve. Get everything all nice. Okay, next one up, we've got Energy. We've got Rescue Carrier. We've got Bishop again. I don't care for Bishop. I get spammed by Bishops in Pokemon Go. I do not care for them at all. Sorry if you love them, but it's the truth. There's too many Bishops. Okay, Salandit, we've got that. We've got a Full Art Altaria, nice. And a Leon sign, very, very nice. Wow. I just absolutely love the Full Art cards, I really do. People are new to this channel, you know, you can check out our shard cards. A lot of them are actually Full Art cards. I say a lot of them, technically all of them. You know, I mean, there is frames in them, but the cards are top to bottom actually Full Art cards. So, you know, if you're wanting to stick around the YouTube channel, or maybe hop on the Discord and check it out, or you could go to shardtcg.com. You can actually check out a lot of these alternate art styles. I mean, nothing compared to Pokemon, but you know, if you're wanting something a little bit different, maybe you want to break from Pokemon. You know, you might want to check out some shard cards, maybe play a game with us. You know, we host like a live stream about once a month. I think we're going to start just regular battles as well, about every couple of weeks as well. Okay, so we've got Metang. I like Metang, but I don't think there's any chance of getting Metagrouse from this set, unfortunately. We've got a Shaman, we've got a Coughing, we've got a Salandit, we've got a Purloin, we've got a Grubbin, we've got a Skrelp, and we've got a Hoopa. Wow. Oh, and we've got a Luxray. What was I saying? I need my Luxray. I need my Luxray. Yes. This is what I need. I need my Luxray. Okay, maybe some more Luxrays. I also don't mind Scizors. I think Scizors are pretty cool. Though I think I've got enough now to actually build a deck out of Scizors. I don't really know what goes well with Scizors. Like I was saying before, I'm just being reintroduced back into Pokemon. So I've still got a lot of novice knowledge. But, you know, I just thought instead of opening these on my own, I would share it with you guys, you know, just as an extra video. You know, I'll probably post this on the Wednesday. Let me know in the comment section below if I did post it on the Wednesday, you know, because right now, in this moment, I'm not sure. Oh, we've got a Wailord, and we've got a Gumshoes. Of course, you'll be telling me in the future when I do know that I posted on a Wednesday. But, you know, I'll send it back to me, you know, in the past, and then I'll know that I did in fact post this on a Wednesday. Okay, next pack. Speed is the key. Speed is the key. Okay, so we've got this pack plus 3 more to go. Okay, so we're kicking off with a Love Disc. Let's get rid of that and go 4 right there. Okay, so we've got the Energy card. We've got the Gloom. We've got the Crushing Hammer. We've got the Solrock. We've got one of them. We've got the Love Disc again. Hello. Deja Vu, anyone? Chatot, Yanma, so something shiny peeking back there. Uh-oh. Ponyard, Cricketot, and we've got Lunatone and Blossom. Okay, so Lunatone, not a very loved card by me. You know, I just, you know, I don't care much for it. Once again, if you're in love with Lunatone, I would say seek help. You know, there's a lot cooler cards out there. You don't have to love Lunatone, you know. I think that Pikachu's pretty popular. Maybe check him out, you know. Have you heard that one before? Okay. He's kind of like this Shinx, but he's more yellow. Okay, another one of them. There we go. So we've got a V-Star thing. We've got Lunatone again. It must have heard me. I'm putting Lunatone in the wrong pile. I've got Rescuer. I've got Salazzle. Very nice. Very hot. Very spicy. Right, so we've got another Shinx. We've got a Corphish. We've got a Ponyard. We've got a Seal. We've got a Rockruff. We've got a shiny energy card. That's very nice. And a Helios. Nice. Nice. The only shiny ones I've picked up so far. I actually managed to get a secret holo grass energy. But to have a shiny psychic energy, I think that's a nice little touch, you know. Hopefully I'll get the full set, you know. Imagine having like just a full deck of just shiny energies, and oh, that's just such an unnecessary flex. But I'd still want to do it. Alright, 2 more to go. This one and this one. Here we go. This is it. The final run-in. Thank you everybody who's been checking out this video up to this point. Like I say, if you are looking to subscribe to the channel, I would just recommend that you subscribe for the shard content. So we've got an energy, water energy. Because I don't really know how many of these I'll be doing. Of course, if this video does well, I might start doing more of these. But, you know, it's up to the people. What do the people want? You know, if I get spammed by dislikes, then obviously I'm not going to do more of these. So I've got a Gluffin, I've got a Skrelp, I've got a Helioptile, I've got a Wooloo. Oh, that's adorable. I've got another Shinx. I've got, oh, Zamazenta. Very nice. And it's not a full art, but it's still lovely. And a Galarian Berserker. Oh, let's leave that one up. Okay. Very nice indeed. I like the way they incorporated the shield into the body. Unlike his mate, who is just a dog holding a sword. He's still cool. He's still cool, I get that. But could they not have incorporated the sword into the body itself? Right, last pack, all or nothing. Let's put that over there. Let's flip, and we've got an energy. We've got energy switch. We've got Krokorok. We've got a Lunatone. We've got Larvesta. Hi, Larvesta. We've got a Ponyard. We've got a Cricketot. We've got a Shinx. We've got a Mr. Mime. We've got a Digging Duo, and we've got a Luxray. Oh, well, at least I got to end on the Luxray. I mean, I would have liked a reverse holo Luxray or something like that. Because, like I say, I wanted to build like a Shinx deck. But it's still very nice. So let's take a look at our haul. We've got the Digging Duo. We've got Zamazenta. We've got a shiny energy card. I'm going to put that over there. Lunatone, you can go with a shiny energy. Then we've got a Whale Lord. We've got a Hooper reverse. We've got Leon Sign, that's a good one. We've got Altaria Full Art, nice, from the Galarian Gallery. We've got a Digging Duo again, so I'll just double that up. We did manage to get the Mewtwo V-Star and a V-Max Duraludon. Sorry about that. And then we managed to get a shiny Krokorok. I know Richard's going to want that, so trades. And then, of course, we kicked off the video with a Kyogre V and a Thievul. So it's nice that it went uphill from there. And personally, I would have really loved something like a Radiant Charizard or something like that. But I can't complain about the Mewtwo V-Star. I mean, that's such a good one, you know. I think that's the rarest one here anyway. I'm not sure. Tell me if I'm wrong in the comment section below. But thank you very much for watching this. I hope it hasn't been too dark. You know, I've got this light on. I've got that light. Yeah, does that help? Can you see them all? Right. Thank you very much for watching. I hope to catch you next time. See you later. Goodbye.